Manje sengithatha irole yabo bamfundisi ubelana kala lonke
awuselele iqoko ngoba sesimnumzane Sibayeni iqoko awuselele iqoko bapembu iqoko semzini wendoda manje
bafuna ngicela sibuyele kala sonke ncane kwenzela ukuthi ijeke leli lika Sibelane silivule ngokusemthethweni socela nangu umtolo asilinga nje amazwi amancane angeqika imizuzu emihlanu 5 minutes asifuna into ende kakhulu kade safunda Sunday school safunda nesikole safunda religious so ke ukuthi nje kancane nje kwazi what people can start cha mtolo 5 minutes nje uthi 1 2 mana ngala
yethu zonke umndeni wakamabhutshwa ngiyanibingelela abazalwane abazalwane namhlanje insizwa setuyibeke eceleni kancane kuba insizwa kodwa ke izwi esizolithola nje namhlanje litholakala lapha kumshumayeli 3 izwi nje lijwayelekile leli elithi yonke into inesikhathi sayo konke kunesikhathi sakho yonke indaba inomzuzu wayo phansi kwezwi kunesikhathi sokuzalwa kunesikhathi sokufa kunesikhathi sokutshala kanti kunesikhathi sokuvuna lamazwi lawa ngizowanikeza umndeni wala ekhaya ukuthi saba khona isikhathi sokuzalwa kukaBaba saphinde sakhona futhi isikhathi sokuthi abe insizwa ehamba nezinsizwa kwakhona futhi isikhathi sokuthi umndeni uphinde ukhale usedlulile manje sekuyisikhathi sokuthi ujabule ukuthi uyabuyiswa namhlanje uBaba usebuyele ekhaya ngalamazwi amancane nje ngithi mndeni wasekhaya niduduzeke nje uNkulunkulu anibusise konke enifisela okuhle enfisa ukuthi kwenzakale kuphinde kwenzakale kube kuhle konke ngiyabonga
baba hoy Pegela
iyadlashi
hoy Pegela
iyadlashi
Konke mina ukhomanda namhlanje oza la ngubani? Oza kumina.
Cha imasivule sithe. Asivule sithe.
Bamba la.
Osandoni.
Okay.
Osandoni. Bamba nongubani.
Akadluleni ngalo khona bamba namntaba. Okay, bamba namntaba baleki.
Ihawu lakho. Phathele umthungu wamuthi. Namzenquke.
Keep up siqala lezasa masiqala.
Ndoni. Untuli.
Samjaha maphanga lento yokujaha. Siphinqile
Bafowethu ijele likajikelele esinibulayo namhlanje ngiyazwa kamandla ami ngiyona namhlanje kubishop nginikele izinsizwa ke eyibhekene kahle wala namhlanje ukuthi kube izona ezinekelelayo
hayi namhlanje ezibhinqayo ezibhinqayo baba ezibhinqayo umbuzo
siyabonga umsebenzi omuhle abantu bakamakhutsha
Jikelele silonto sokusho. Awukade sesikhule nalensizwa.
abona ke
Mathomba ushukwe. Asikwena. Hey.
funda ngithatha ngoba ngazofundela funda lapha
Afunde maphanga.
sisezwa kancane
Laleleni. Phamisiswe.
ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ngumdidiyeli namhlanje uyabona ngifunda kanjani umdidiyeli ubishop in loving memory of Daddy F Magutshwa who was born mhla 11 kuJanuary 1959 wadlula emhlabeni ngomhla 9 kuOctober 2022 we will forever be thankful of the life God gave us to share with you. Thoughts of you always brings laughter in our heart. May your soul rest in peace. Kobe, you will forever be in our heart as a loving father, a husband, and a grandfather. Let your heart not be troubled. Believe in God. Believe in also in me. In my Father's house are many rooms. If were not so, will I have told you that I go to prepare a place for you? And if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again and will take you to myself, that where I am, you may be also, and you know the way to where I am going. That is verse John, verse 14, chapter 1 and 4, chapter 14, verse 1 to 4. Sithi-ke jikelele inkosi ayibe nawe umoya wakho uNkulunkulu awusikelele insizwa zonke njengoba zizela ukuthi manje ziyakukhuphula ukuthi ube idlozi elihle ekhaya ube into enhle ekhaya mazicabanga wena izingane zicabanga ubaba nawe ekhaya manje abantwana lezi zinto abazenzile ukuthi konke abakwenzile amandla abo ilwana abazichithile lekhaya ukuthi bayakukhuphula namhlanje ziningi insizwa la angeke ngikwazi ukuzibiza ngawani kodwa ngizothi insizwa zigcwele ekhaya zizokukhuphula manje sithi jikelele nyukele ekhaya uyoba idlozi elihle. Ngiyabonga kakhulu mabutho amakhulu. Siyabonga.
Ngifuna ukulungisa la kancane nge-school fees. Ngizwile ekhuluma la uMaphanga ekhuluma ngolotha laughter baba laughter.
Daughter or daughter is fine. It's how much you run it.
School fees lesa wona kukhona igama elithiwa uschedule bathi abathi labafundile abafundile kwe bathi uscheduling osambuzwa waya ku school noma waya ku school thina sithi scheduling ngoba saya ku school yaba so ke na befunda la kwethu school fees lesa bafundisa siyabonga asiphumi esibayeni so hlala esibayeni balethe zonke izinto so soyendlini ngoba sesiqedile okwala esibayeni kodwa okwamanje ngicabanga siqedile khomo naba kodwa ngala ningaliflathela ukuthi ngala